Today we're going to open this Wakitivity Kinetic Sand Doggy Daycare. This playset includes 3 doggy molds, 1 kibble maker, and 2 colors of sand. It also includes the sandbox playset. Let's open it!
Yeah, but they're crying, so maybe baby Tail would be happy if I open it now.
Yes. What molds do you have?
Yeah, the mold. And also here's the tan. So this is our tan. Now let it go!
What?
Wait, look. I have to put that in there.
What's that?
Now put that in here.
You want to make a dog, Taylor? No? Here, look.
Mom, I need that mold, Mom, the purple one. Look, I need it. This is a toy that you can put it down.
Look.
I want to learn.
Okay, do you want to make this one? Can I make this?
Mom, you're supposed to do the green one.
Do you like the sand? Yeah?
Yes, I'll put the purple one down.
Taylor, what do you want? This one? There. You need to put it inside.
This is a toy that you can put
Wow.
down. Yeah, but even you don't need to use it to pop because it's that easier to clean up. Because it's easier to clean up here. Come on, I make a medic.
I'll show you how to do this. Look. See? want to make?
Hey, it's okay.
Just let him have some purple. Do you like this? Do you like to buy more kinetic sand? Yeah? Very soft.
What more do you want?
So soft, Taylor. Look. Yeah. I like your dog. Do you want to